Greetings from Hackensack. Tonight I'm making a very simple pasta with garlic, organic diced tomatoes, and some vegetables. These vegetables are left over from preparation of the Korean sweet potato noodles by japchae. And the other ingredients include the garlic, diced tomatoes, and some hot pasta water. Start it off with some extra virgin olive oil. Heat that up a little bit, and then add some garlic. Plenty of thinly sliced garlic. Using this kitchen tool, terrific idea. You can also slice onions, like shallots, and ginger. Organic diced tomatoes, celery, some carrots, some shredded carrots, and pepper flakes. Bring that to a boil under the cover. So you want to get the vegetables as wilted as possible. It's not the time to have al dente vegetables. I'll be adding about 2 cups of pasta water, maybe a cup and a half of pasta water to this, and then the pasta is going to finish cooking in here. It's usually 11-minute cooking time. Do about 8 minutes, and then the last 3 minutes in the pot. Add Parmesan and some parsley. You can add some oil to the pasta water. Keep the pasta from sticking. I never add salt to my pasta water. Not necessary. Plenty of salt in the cheese. So I've reserved about a cup and a half of pasta water. I don't think I'm going to have to use all that. But as soon as the pasta is ready, I'll add the water to the vegetables and get it to boil, and then finish the pasta out. Add a cup of pasta water to the vegetables, oil, and garlic. So I drain the pasta after about 8.5 minutes. Goes into the pan with hot water. And now we're going to finish it off here. As I said, cooking time of 11 to 12 minutes. See how it goes. Okay, so it's been in here about 2-3 minutes, perfectly al dente. You can lower the fire, add the Parmesan and the parsley. Be generous with the cheese because this is where all the sodium is. Basically the pasta tastes a little bland without the cheese. Generous with that, and the parsley. So here's a great dish of simple pasta with tomatoes and other vegetables, grated Parmesan cheese, organic parsley, and the olive oil, thinly sliced garlic, about 2 cups of pasta water. All you need is a beautiful red wine and a great salad to finish. Enjoy.